Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make a passport photo in your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now I'm going to show you the easiest method right here, okay? So first up, go ahead and open up your Safari or any other browser. Just open it up. And then once done, in the URL box, just type down photogov.net. All right, again, photogov.net, hit on go. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and tap on get your ID photo right here. So just tap on it. I got to select the country, select the document type. For example, Visa 35 by 45 mm. Just for example, and check this box, okay? It says here, if health issues affect your photo, medical certificate is required. All right, so just basically tap on start right here. Now go ahead and tap on choose photo. Take a photo if you want to, and just make sure that it got enough lighting. But if you already got the photo on your photo library, well, just tap on photo library. Now go ahead and select the photo that you wanted to use, and then hit on done. Wait for it to upload. And then after that, go ahead and tap on start processing, the blue button, and just wait for it. As you can see here, it's almost done. It is now creating the photo. And you also got the checkbox right here if it's good to go. So let's just wait for it. And here we have the preview. As you can see, it fits correctly. Now, once that's done, you can now then go ahead and download the photo. Now type down your email where you wanted to receive the photo. Once that's done, scroll down and tap on get photo for free. And it says here, wait for about 3 minutes or 4 minutes and do not leave the page while it's processing. So as you can see here, it's almost done. Just wait for it to load. It says here, your ready-made photos. Just tap on download and then download once more. And then you have the download section right here. You can go ahead and tap on download. If you didn't see it, downloads right here, okay? Downloads. It will be landed to your file section, by the way. There you go. That's how simple it is to make a passport photo in iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.